Welcome back to Desi Martini. My name is Mahima and it's an absolute honor for me today to introduce you to the one and only Rani Mukherjee. Hello ma'am, how are you?
Very well, thank you.
It's an absolute honor to meet you. As I have already told you, I wish this was not a virtual interview, but I'm happy with this also. So, ma'am, you'll be returning as Vimmi back to the silver screen after so many years. It is one of your most loved characters. Even I remember going to the tailor with that picture, Bhaiya ye wala kurta. So, I mean, it is an iconic character. How was it going back into Vimmi's shoes after so many years? Was it challenging?
Of course, it was challenging because the fact that there is a character which is much loved by the audiences, and then you're trying to do part two, and not many people are always kind to part twos or sequels in that sense. So yes, there's always that fear that will I be able to live up to my fans' expectations? Will I be able to live up to an audience's expectation? So yes, I worked very hard to make this Vimmi very different, and at the same time similar to what the audiences saw in Bunty Bubbly 1. So here Vimmi is a mother of a 10-year-old because her life has progressed in these 10 years that you didn't see Vimmi. So what were Vimmi and Rakesh doing these many years that you didn't meet them? And they've stopped conning and they are leading a very, very humble and normal life in Fursatganj. And Vimmi, in spite of having her world revolving around her son and husband, she still is the fashionista that she used to be. She believes that whatever she wears, the trend starts there. She's not very technology savvy, but she trusts her son on technology, who is the new age kid on the block. And of course, what triggers her anger and her emotions is when there are two new people who take her brand without even informing her. So that's where all the mad fun starts in Bunty Bubbly 2. And that's what you're going to witness tomorrow in the theaters.
So ma'am, how much of Rani Mukherjee do we see in Vimmi? I mean, how much are they alike?
I think they are alike in the way that we both are mums. And Vimmi has a lovely relationship with her son Pappu in Bunty Bubbly 2. Also the fact that my life also revolves around my family. Vimmi's life also revolves around a family. She's a go-getter, which I also am. And she's completely crazy, which I also am. Obviously, what I'm not is I'm not a con woman. So that's something that I'm not. So that's the only thing I can say that I differentiate from like Vimmi.
So ma'am, you're reuniting with Saif Ali Khan after so many years on the screen, and we're very excited to see the OG Bunty and Bubbly. And you worked with him for so long in so many films, super hit films. So you obviously know a lot about him, and you guys are, I'm sure, friends as well. So I really want to know, as an actor and as Saif Ali Khan's friend, what are the three things about him that you absolutely love, and the three things about him that you find very annoying?
So obviously the three things that I like about him is the fact that he has a great sense of humor, which he, with a very poker face, at times he'll crack us all up. The second thing about Saif, what I love is that he's a very intelligent guy to be around with, so when Saif is around, we can talk about many things apart from just our work and our profession. And the third thing, I think what I like about him is that I think he is very, very chilled out and not very madly competitive, which is something that I like about him because he's very chilled out. And another thing that I would like to add in this third thing is that while not being extremely competitive, what I like about Saif is that he is very real. So when it comes to also trying to portray a certain character, there's a lot of hard work that he puts in to play that character right. So I think that is a great quality to have. What I don't like about him at times is that he used to be a little bit immature in the beginning. Now also sometimes he has that. And Saif has he trusts people less. So I think he has that factor in him. Which I don't think is right, to be very honest. And the third thing about Saif, what I don't like, is that sometimes he self-doubts, which I think he should never do, because I think he's the best in what he does.
That's so sweet. Okay, so ma'am, now we know what Vimy thinks about the new age con artists, the Naye Bunty and Bubbly. But I really want to know what Rani Mukherjee thinks of her co-stars Siddhant Chaturvedi and Sharwari.
I think they both are extremely down-to-earth children or kids, or I would say the millennials. They come from very good families. They are very well brought up, and it shows in the way they conduct themselves. They're also extremely talented. The way they have performed in the film, I think you'll be very surprised that they have actually performed extremely well, because Bunty or Bubbly is not an easy film to do. Though it's a comedy film, but there's a lot of get-ups and a lot of like characters you have to imbibe in the same film. So they've done an extremely wonderful job. And I think as the next millennial, the couple that is introduced to the film industry, I think they're going to do extremely well.
Wonderful. Looking forward to seeing all of you together on screen.
Thank you.
So, ma'am, one more thing I wanted to ask you was, in a recent interview, you mentioned that you hope that the Bunty and Bubbly franchise grows. I have to ask you, if there was any other film, I mean, आपको अगर किसी का भी offer मिले कि इसका sequel बनाते हैं, which is the film you won't even think twice before saying yes to?
Mardani 3.
I think we agree with that. Seeing you like that on screen, oh God, you are the most badass performer in the world. And especially that specific character of yours. I've already got goosebumps.
How sweet. No, I'm also waiting so that there's a good subject that comes of Mardani 3 that we can make. I would really like to reprise the role of Shivani again. That'd
Great, because we really love her.
Thank you.
So before I take your leave, ma'am, I just have one more question to ask you. I want to ask you to describe your movie in 2 words. Now, we already know that your daughter loved it. I'm sure your husband also loves it. I want to know what you think about it. Just 2 words to describe the movie.
Family entertainer. 2 words, family entertainer. Got it.
Beautiful. Now that we've got a mini review right from you, thank you so much. Now I can take your leave. All the very best for the film, and thank you for this. Thank you for this chat.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Good luck.
Bye.